Right, so this is some of the button-down mind of Bob Newhart. Just pick a random spot there. Apparently the audience liked that joke.
Anything else? You talked to some newspapermen. Abe, I wish you wouldn't talk to newspapermen. Well, you always put your foot in. No, that's just what I mean, Abe. No.
Recommend this album. I'm sure it's available on streaming. Here's a little bit of side 2. All right, there we go. And let's see if we can start this one.
You would have heard something like this. All right, Jerry, cue the plane. All right, have the plane come down. That's the way. All right, have the plane land. All right, taxi. All right, Jerry, have him stop on the chalk marks if you can. All right, he's going. That's all right. He's going fast. It's all right. All right, camera 1, get in tight on the door. Get in tight on Khrushchev. A what? A mustache? I don't think so, Jerry. Jerry, you're on the wrong.
So those were, he had some of those bits where he would have a one-sided conversation where you can only imagine what the other side was saying, but they worked well. Here's another part of it.
But there was this bus. All right, the lane is clear now. You want to pull out? Oh, no, that wasn't bad at all. You might try it a little slower next time.
All right.
All right, let's get